To believe is to aspire, and to aspire is to fly. Flight is an eternal quest. It is synonymous to an unintimidated, uninhibited voyage over the world. You can witness the unadulterated nature in its pristine form, but you have to take the first leap of faith. I was pretty much excited to fly this little bad boy, a drone that belongs to my friend. It was my first time, and I won't lie, I was nervous. Yes, I was nervous. But as I gained courage and kept a fixed gauge on what I was afraid of, I flew. I stumbled near the ground in the beginning. Then I soared. I flew and flew and flew. It was an unspeakable feeling. I had spread my wings, yet my feet were firmly grounded on earth. Perhaps that is how you should aim your goal. Fly high, but you should not be afar from reality in life. And perhaps that's what life is all about. I flew hither and I flew thither. I encircled the sky. When my head got dizzy, I came down. But one thing I understood: if you want to rise in life, you have to fly high. Say adieu to your fears and embrace your dreams. And then you can be that falcon.